Okay, so part 2 for question 5. So for the first part we did class 1 and class 2. This time is class 3 and class 4. Class 3 are sphingolipids. So here is a sphingosine. This entire thing right here is the sphingosine. So that entire thing is the sphingosine. On the second carbon, this second carbon is attached to an amino group, NH2. This amino group will form a peptide bond with a fatty acid right here. The peptide bond is right there. So carbon 2 attached to amino group. Amino group forms peptide bond with this fatty acid. Down here on carbon 3, this carbon 3 is attached to an alcohol group. And this alcohol group will attach to an X. This X can be anything. So once they've been all attached, this would be the result. Here's the peptide bond right here. N to H, N to C, C to O. This X, let's go over here. If this X is equal to an H, so CH2OH, that compound would be called a ceramide. If this X was attached to a phosphate group with this funky stuff right here, so it's CH2O phosphate group and this thing, then that entire compound would be called a sphingomyelin. These are two things that you will want to remember for her exam: ceramide and sphingomyelin. So sphingolipids, a sphingosine backbone, not glycerol, sphingosine backbone, one fatty acid that has a peptide bond with the amino group at carbon 2. Carbon 3, if X is equal to H, hydrogen, ceramide. Phosphate group with this thing, sphingomyelin. We get a good look at it. So, for class 4, they are the non-saponifiable lipid structure. You can't make soap out of them. For class 1, 2, and 3, you can make soap out of them. Class 4 is the only one that you can't. Class 4 is a 4-ring fused structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're fused together right there. So 4 fused ring structure, cholesterol, steroid hormones. So what?
3 of them are 6 rings. 1 of them is a 5-ring structure.
Oh no, you don't need to know that.
All right.
All you guys need to know is there is 1, 2, 3, 4 rings, and they're fused together. That's all you need to know about class 4 for structure. Thank you.